He's not a morning person. Nope. Come up. Breakfast is ready. Jesus.
This is a big fish, boy. You need me to bring it in for you or what?
I'm good. He's just playing. Is it a tiger or a brown? A tiger, isn't it?
It's a tiger, yeah.
Oh, man. That's great.
Put a codfish there for a second.
Down, boy. Look at this beauty. Good morning. Oh, he's fat. He's not as long as he is fat. He's a big dog. Another big dog.
Yep.
Good morning.
Oh, stomach pumping.
Nah.
No? Want the net back? Down right back to the bottom. Yep.
Thanks, fatty. Little baby.
Another fish with fishing with bolt.
Okay.
He's gonna run over this. What the fucking door is over here.
Keep away from my line, okay? There's the brown.
Sorry, boy. Trying to keep away here.
Keep him away from the anchor. Hit the line.
Okay, ready? Bring back your way.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, boy.
Tiger.
Oh, yeah. You nice fish, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tired on it. He's becoming a small fish now, you know.
Yeah, becoming a small
This is a
fish.
small one.
Fuck, they fucking fight.
Don't get it here, what?
Beautiful little troutsy. Big dog, huh?
You know, that's going to be big enough to get that thing in there, boy.
You big dog, are you?
Bigger than that.
You got a big dog on here, huh? Oh, I love this place. Jesus. Might be a minute here.
Yeah, oh yeah. Take your time. Boy, he's pulling pretty good, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Man, he's got a big fish are you?
If it's the same fish, man, they got some strength. They keep doing it again the next day. Nice brown.
That looks like a fucking pipe.
That's a brown.
Oh my god, that's hardly big enough to get that.
Look, man, another one.
Wow. What am I doing wrong? Look at that. How big do you think he is? 5 pounds? 4 or 5 pounds? I don't know.
Oh.
Feels like a good one. Oh, yes. Oh, my God, yes. Look.
Oh my God!
Oh,
not
look
new
at that fucking thing, boy. You might move the line.
What?
Holy shit.
Can you get him away from the line?
I'm trying to go.
Wrestle.
Take me for a ride here. Oh my God.
There we go. This might be the biggest one, dude.
Oh my God, yeah. Look. Oh, yeah. You get some of that. Oh,
That's a tiger. It's either a tiger. Brown don't normally jump like that.
fuck, you got me tired. Oh,
Easy, easy. Yeah, yeah. Let him run. Nice rainbow. Nice rainbow, dude.
Oh, his fly came out.
Like, look at him. He doing a dance. Doing a dance.
That's
for
nice
beer.
fish. Oh, yeah. I fish punch this one too. Or, fuck, he's nice. What do you say he is? 4 pounds? 3 pounds?
Something like that, yeah.
Wow, what beautiful fish, boy. They're all beautiful here, man. So I keep calling them beautiful because they are.
That's the nicest, one of the nicest rainbows.
That's the nicest, biggest fight I've ever had here yet. I think, well, no, that's all I can do. Start trying to catch catching now.
Yeah, it's catching. Not fishing no more. We catching, boy.
Catching now, my son. Oh no.
I guess spoke too soon, huh?
See, once you start talking like that.
You got your net there?
Nice fish. Oh shit. Yeah.
The one? This is the one.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Down, buddy.
Not bad, boy. Not bad at all.
Get the water off the camera.
Oh, Jesus. Scared the shit out of me.
I'm gonna need the net, yep. Decent one.
Oh, yeah. It's a big fish that's brown. Oh, it might be a big rainbow.
I think it's a tiger. Big rainbow.
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice.
I thought.
You're strand tuning in. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, boy. There you go.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, he's alright. I'm not happy with you.
No, you're not happy with me.
There we go. Oh. He's here somewhere. Nice, here's water.
260s.
Brown.
Nice little trout, see? Oh my fuck.
Oh, I don't know, would be happy for you or be mad at you.
Oh, if I got that on camera, that was nuts. I got that though. Woo! That was good. Keep it down. Keep it down.
Yeah, boy.
Keep it down. Keep
Keep it down a little bit now.
it down. Big brown. Keep it down, big brown. Never seen brown jump like that. Dang.
14 pounds.
No.
What did you do? Always nice fish, boy. That's what I'm saying, dry fly might
Wasn't up on the
deal.
See ya.
Okay, well, good seeing you, bud.